this shit. I just shoveled a pathway to our garage, but oh my god. Well, we shoveled last night at 8 o'clock p.m. and we shoveled all the driveway and everything was clear, and then I woke up and boom, 4-foot drift. This is crazy.
Yuck, 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 yuck.
Every time I go to this thrift store in Sturgis, I hear the craziest shit. This woman was just in there crying about how she lost a pool game last night to her friend Jimmy, and she felt like she got raped again by the end of it. And she started crying. It's like, why don't you take this to the car? Okay. I don't know if I don't have enough room on my phone. I just cleared a bunch of stuff out, but I had clips that are disappeared. Yeah, I was like talking about my yerba mate. I tried to do before and after of my makeup and everything, so you know, I get to see how ugly I was before, but I just got up and showered, and the boys went to grandma's after a week of being home. So I just Dutch braided my hair. That way today it can look cute, and then tomorrow we're going on a fun train ride. It'll be nice and curly, and I did my makeup, about to leave the house. Finally, I haven't left the house in days, you guys, days. And like the blue skies are popping out. But first, I gotta poop. What are these weirdos doing? Those two cats look exactly the same. Oh shoot, here comes another. Hello. I came into the kids' room to see if this present I bought my fiance is what I want it to be. I guess that's a little underwhelming. I guess I'm not sure what I was expecting. The care that they took to cut out every single little piece. Okay, that's really cool, you guys. Eek. All right. Dude. Oh my god. This thing is badass. All right, we get the picture, but wow, this is really cool. So I'm just trying to finish up wrapping the boys' Christmas presents, and I got them these books. So I'm like trying to figure out if I want to wrap them or just like pop a bow on there. I just kind of slipped it on the sleeve. But look at this. I took out the bow from the package and I was like, wait, what is happening here? This poor thing. I just reheated my tea on the stovetop. Now I'm gonna go heat up my car and get ready to go. Oh my gosh, wait, I didn't screw the top on all the way. I always do that. But it's not full, so whew. It is a very warm 20 degrees here today, you guys. No winds. I really wish that the blue skies would come out again. I miss them. And I miss the sun, but that's okay. There's no snow and there's no wind and it's 20 degrees, so I am gonna take it. Look at the size of this. Hiya! guys, I am stressing. It's so hard. I have to put the phone here because this is gonna get wild. My car is getting stuck in the freaking driveway. I'd be cursing a lot more if I wasn't planning on putting this on the internet. Oh, please go. Please go. I have an all-wheel drive car, okay? But my driveway is on a hill. I have to go uphill. Oh my God. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. Here I go. No slowing down. Out, out, out. Oh, please. Just go. Oh, I made it, you guys. I don't really like this car. It's not good in the snow. Holy shit. Okay, I made it to town, but my dumbass, and I felt so slick too. I was like, I'm gonna back up into this parking space. Yeah, it's a disabled spot. I didn't notice because the ground is covered in snow and I didn't see the sign. So now I'm gonna have to back into this spot.
45 minutes getting out of there last night at midnight. I just already felt it. And I just can't come up with any reason other than, I mean, by the end of the night.
I love these boots, but they're too small.
So I pulled in there right.
So I'm driving home now. I'm in my neighborhood. I'm almost home. And I went the slow way that I have to take when it's crazy out, and I still was so nervous. Oh my gosh. There's just like no worse feeling than getting your car stuck. Because then I have to pay my neighbor $50 to come help me. And trust me, I've done that plenty of times with my Jeep Liberty that I used to have. Hello, I'm home. Obviously. So I got a bottle of Sauvignon Blanc. I got bread. And I picked, I love the Monterey Jack queso. I love it. I love it. I love it. I was trying to be good. I was trying. Then at the thrift store, I found this sweater. It's super old, like total vintage. Kind of cute. Kind of love it. I don't know. Love's a strong word. Then I got these holiday clothes, and I know it's already the 17th, but I mean, these just are kind of like nostalgic. This tight-knit, really stuffed pillow. Super cute. And I can use these, well, this one says season greetings. Actually, wait. I can use these. Season's greetings, happy holidays. That's good all the way through the new year, honey. So I'm gonna put those on my chairs. And then I got a play mat for the boys. They had one there, but it was like a town, and you could pretend to drive, and there was different shops. But I think I'm gonna bring that to my mom's house because I actually just got one for here. So I don't know, but that's just my little tiny haul. I am gonna eat some chips, and I don't know. Definitely want to do something tonight, but I'm not sure what. Might want to go swimming. Actually, well, I just washed my hair. Well, I want to do something, but I'm not sure what. So, yeah, that's it. Hello. So, we had the massive snowstorm. That was the first clips that you saw. Let's sit right here with the tree. Yeah, big snowstorm. Seriously, we got like 5 feet. It snowed for 2 days, and then it was windy for 2 days. And then I couldn't go to work because of the parking lot. So basically, I had all last week off. The weather was absolute garbage. And this week will be the same. At least they had milk at the grocery store. I got 3 gallons of whole milk because they had no milk last week, obviously. Well, yeah, it was Monday they didn't have milk, and then Saturday I went to the store, still no milk. So today I went to the store again, kind of re-upped because it's actually going to be like -20 on Wednesday and Thursday. Christmas is going to be nice. Christmas is actually going to be nice weather. So I'm just going to make this like the little snow day, cold day vlog. That's what I'm going to call it. So today I just went to the grocery store. I'm eating chips right now. Oh yeah, a little bit of queso warmed up, chips, absolute favorite snack. And yeah, just went to the grocery store. I'm gonna clean a little bit today. Got a lot of cleaning to do. That's it. So I made the boys chicken nuggets. If you guys have not had these honey something, they're like honey chicken nuggets. I don't know. They are so good. They're bomb. They're from Tyson. And I'm letting them eat in front of the TV today because if I don't, then sometimes they don't eat. So they're just gonna eat in front of the TV and snack and hang out together. And I'm gonna continue cleaning. I just set up their new lamps. Took me forever to remember to buy light bulbs, but now I've got new lamps for them and they're so cute. They're just perfect for their room, you know? Okay, what's next? So I've got my pork in the slow cooker. Oops. Well, it's a good thing I did that because I literally just forgot to turn it on. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's one of those. Actually, I'll do 3 hours because in 4 hours it'll be almost 9 o'clock. Then I've got my rice just soaking. This is my rice cooker, but obviously I'm using it for the pork. So anyway, gotta soak your rice, ladies, if you're gonna be making it on the stovetop. And then I've got water boiling for the boys' dinner. They should be getting up soon since it's 4:40. And they're gonna have pasta. And then I'm gonna have rice and pork later. Hello, it's dinner time now. So I've got, well, not dinner time for me. I just put in a pork in the slow cooker. Now I'm going to be, damn it. Well, I'm gonna soak rice, but I always need to put the rice in first because now if I put the, whatever. What's that noise? I swear. I live around an air base, Air Force base, and like you just hear like the craziest noises sometimes, just slow rumbling, and by the time you hear it, you can't even see it. So I'm just gonna soak the rice, since my slow cooker is also what I make my rice in, but I'm using it for the slow cooker, so. Gotta soak the rice, you guys. That is the key. If you gotta make it old-fashioned on the stove, you gotta soak it. I just pop it in, and then I turn it on when I'm ready to cook. And then I've got great timing because I just made a sale on Mercari, so I printed out the shipping label while I was here. So now tomorrow, I just pop it in the mail. Love the library. Support your local library. Great timing. What you're hearing is the chainsaw toys that my boys have. We legit found a steel chainsaw at the thrift store. So then I went online and found another Husqvarna chainsaw. And they love their chainsaws, and now they're requesting that I turn on chainsaw videos on YouTube. I don't know. You should see. Let me just read out my search history to you guys for this YouTube. Kids Alphabet Puppy, Kids Lava Train, Blippi, of course, Vlad and Nikki, of course, educational videos for toddlers, Santa trucks, McQueen, Simpsons toys. Stop. Just out here collecting eggs. If you don't get them soon enough they crack like that. So these are all of our chickens. The coop needs to be cleaned, but I just gave them apple slices. So with the ones that break, just take them and throw them. Ooh, it's cold. It's cold. It's about, oh, the sun though, the sun. It's like, it's probably about -3 or so. I'll have to look at the thermostat, but if you're in the sun, it still feels good. Like, nothing's better than the sun. Okay, I'm gonna go inside because it's cold. Try not to get their faces in here. Perfect timing on the sale once again, because not only was I at the library to print the label, but I also got a package in the mail, and I fit the shirt that I sold right in this old little package. So in the house it came, out the house it's going. Please ignore my hair. It gets to a point where it needs to be washed, but like before I wash it, it just looks crazy. So you just can't care about your hair all the time, you know? Anyway, let me just kind of, yeah, it's bad. But I had a good day. I had a productive day. I went to the library. I uploaded a video. You saw the pin that I bought. I know, I'm not a Disney adult, you guys. I am not a Disney adult, but I do enjoy Disney. And I'm gonna start like collecting pins for this oversized denim jacket that I have. So that's kind of the idea with the pins. And I just love A Bug's Life so much. Anyway, got the mail at the post office. I got replacement sheets for my boys because when they wet on their sheets, I don't have replacements. So I just got replacements. How many times can I say replacements? That way when I'm washing one set, another set can be on. And then I got their snow pants because we don't have, their snowsuits are too small for them. So, and I didn't really want to get like a whole new set of snowsuits. I feel like it was just easier to get pants. So let's open them together. Let's see what they look like. Well, I know what they look like, but let's see if they look like they're gonna fit. And I kind of think I got extra small. So it's like 4 or 5. They just turned 3, but they're pretty big. So these are for 4 or 5s. I think this will definitely work because I figured also they'll need to layer up underneath. And I got 2 of the same because they're twins and it's just easier sometimes to get 2 of the same. That way there's no fighting, because they will fight over even the same thing sometimes. It's ridiculous, but this is perfect. Oh, and these are like so heavy duty. Oh, I love these. Okay, so now the other snowsuits can be popped up on Mercari. I always say I'm gonna link my Mercari and then I never do, but I'm gonna link my Mercari. So, little update on the temps. Work is once again canceled. I don't work tonight, but I work tomorrow. We're going to try and do tomorrow, but seriously, the snowstorm last week closed all week, and now with the temps being in the negatives the way they are in the wind chill, it's like dangerous to be outside because you can get frostbite in like 3 minutes. So, we're just going to close, but we have to be open the 23rd and 24th. So, this is what I'm working with. Okay, they're like screaming my name so I can go turn on the TV for them. Hack. I know that my boys like these shrimps, so I just told them they're like chicken nuggets from McDonald's, and they're eating them. If your boys don't want to eat a delicious home-cooked meal, just tell them it's like McDonald's. Night 2 of it progressively getting colder. Tonight's -9. And as you just saw, the chicken coop was completely frosted over. And actually, when I first went in there, their heat lamp was on the floor. And I was like, please don't be broken. This would be the worst week to have their heat lamp break. Or the bulb even. The bulbs are kind of expensive. So I picked it up and I just screwed the bulb back in and it came out, as you saw, thank God, because it's cold. And I mean, like, the chickens can handle a lot, but we want them to be warm. And if it's not warm, they don't produce eggs. So yeah, I'm glad that it wasn't broken. Making some pasta again for the boys. They're simpletons like me. Like when I was a kid, even to this day, like I like to eat different things and cook different things, but when it comes down to it, I could eat the same thing every single day and be fine. I pretty much do. Like I have ramen for lunch every single day, almost. So they're on a spaghetti cake. So I'm making spaghetti, but I usually try and like mix up the meats I make for them. So I actually bought some frozen butterfly shrimp because sometimes they'll eat that, and I really hope they eat it tonight. It's like hit or miss, but I also like them too, so I'll go ahead and eat them if they don't. And then I think just leftovers for dinner. I don't know what to do for dinner. We've got steak in there, but like my fiance is the cook, so if he wants steak, he's gonna come home and make the steak. You know, he likes to cook. So yeah, that's it. And I've just gotta do some dishes. Dishes is like my least favorite chore, so I wait until I absolutely have to do them. You guys, it's so cold that cobwebs have iced up, and the whole, where is it? Where can you see the best? I guess just right here. And everything is just covered in sparkles. Life on the prairie. Look at this absolute shitstorm, you guys. It's so cold out that the house has been creaking for hours. Like the windows are just creaking. Every once in a while it sounds like somebody dropped something on the floor on the main level because something is creaking. And even the windows up here have frost, I just noticed on them. Can you see? I mean, I'm like scared. This is like dangerous cold, you guys. I'm scared. I got my binkies. I'm baby talking in there. No, baby's home at the moment. I got my binkies and my little remote to watch Netflix documentaries and my glass of Sauvignon Blanc. And the wind is a-blowing. The wind is a-blowing. We're gonna catch any creeks. Oh my God. My hands are always so cold, but literally, they're like icicles. So cold. There's ice inside. So we're gonna ignore the hair because it happened, everybody. It got to negative 20, 23 to be exact. I just went outside to collect some eggs from the coop, and oh my God, I was running. It was like instant pain, basically. It hurts to be outside. So crazy. And honestly, they weren't even sitting on these things, so I think that they're probably frozen. All that for nothing. But yeah, it's cold. I have never felt so lazy in my entire life as I have the past like 2 months. Seriously. Because we had a 10-day vacation for Thanksgiving that we always take. But then work was so slow that I didn't even like do much at work. Like I did cleaning and whatever I could, you know, but oh, I'm out of breath. Hold on. I'm out of shape. So then this month I haven't been working because the weather has been so bad. Like last week, couldn't even get to work because of the snow. And now businesses are closing again yesterday, today, probably tomorrow, because it's negative 20 and it feels like negative 40 with the wind chill. So today I just have a couple of presents I need to wrap, and that's it. I'm just gonna commit to this and her. It's cold out. So I'm waiting for my yerba mate tea to steep. And I'm gonna do, this is for you, Virginia, my sister. She keeps wanting me to do this where when it's really cold out, I guess you have to boil the water. I didn't know that until I saw a TikTok last night. So I'm boiling the water and then I'm gonna throw it outside and see what happens.